Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my class. Today we will discuss about biogeochemical cycle. The term biogeochemical cycle is derived from bio, meaning biosphere, living organism. Geo meaning the geological components and chemical meaning the elements move through a cycle. The term biogeochemical tells us that biological, geological, and chemical factors are involved. Biological, geological, and chemical factors. In earth science, a biogeochemical cycle is a pathway by which a chemical substances move through both biotic, that means biosphere, and abiotic, that means lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere compartment of earth. What is biogeochemical cycle? Biogeochemical cycles describe the movements of substances on the entire globe. The study of this is inherently multidisciplinary. Actually, a cycle is a series of chains which comes back to the starting point and which can be repeated. That is called biogeochemical cycle. Here we can see a figure. In this figure we can see that here the sun, the basic source of energy on which all life depends. How? Actually, it initiates photosynthesis. We all know about what is photosynthesis. Actually, during photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is converted into organic compounds and oxygen. And out of total solar isolation that reaches the Earth's surface, only a very small fraction, actually 0.1%, is fixed on photosynthesis. More than half is used for plant respiration, and the remaining part is temporarily stored or is shifted to other portion of the plant. Here, the life on Earth mainly consists of a great variety of living organisms. These living organisms exist and survival in a diversity of associations. Such survival involves the presence of systematic flows such as flows of energy, water, and nutrient. These flows show variations in different parts of the world, in different seasons of the year and under varying local circumstances. And studies have shown that for the last 1 billion years, the atmosphere and hydrosphere have been composed of approximately the same balance of chemical compounds. How? Actually, this balance of the chemical elements is maintained by a cyclic passage through the tissues of plants and animal, and that is called biogeochemical cycle. Actually, cyclic movements of chemical elements of the biosphere between the organisms and the environment are referred to as biogeochemical cycles. The cycle starts by absorbing the chemical elements by the organisms and is returned to the air, water, and soil through decomposition. These cycles are largely energized by solar isolation. Biogeochemical cycles can be classified as gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. What is gaseous cycle? The term gaseous cycle refers to the transformation of gases between various biogeochemical reservoirs. Hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere, Important gaseous cycles are nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, carbon cycle, and water cycle. These are the important gaseous cycle. And sedimentary cycles include the leaching of minerals and salts from the earth's crust. Actually, phosphorus cycle, sulfur cycle, iron cycle, calcium cycle, that are the sedimentary cycle. So we can say that biogeochemical cycle, natural processes that recycle nutrient from the living, non-living environment to living organisms, then back to the non-living environment. That is called biogeochemical cycle. That's for today. Thank you.